Normal day in my house. I was baking some cookies, getting ready to make some dinner, and the alarm from ADT started sounding. My husband immediately went over to the ADT panel and took a look to see what was going on. The phone rang and it was Catherine from ADT.
Hello, this is ADT Security. We are getting a carbon monoxide alarm. I have notified the fire department. My recommendation is you wait outside for them, you and your whole family.
And listening to that 911 call, how succinct she was, tells me that you guys were looking out for my family. It has been determined that the oven had a faulty regulator in it, and that is what caused the carbon monoxide to be emitted into the kitchen. And that's why I became so violently ill.
You do know you're my hero, right?
Thank you.
I would not be alive today if it wasn't for you. You
Right.
saved my family.